Welcome to This Week in the Stock Market. First, a brief look at the major indices. All the major US indices closed in the green this week, with the Dow Jones narrowly closing lower compared to last week. The S&P 500 has seen a bearish start to the new year, currently down 5.5% year to date, and down more than 13% at one point. However, since mid-March, we've seen the S&P recover by almost 9%. Will this rally continue, or are we headed towards a recession? Without further ado, the first topic of the week. Apple is going all out, announcing their new chip last month, improving on their already amazing tech ecosystem, rumors of an Apple car, and now potentially rivaling the likes of Netflix and Amazon in the streaming sector. At the Oscars last Sunday, Apple TV film Coda became the first film on a streaming platform to win the Best Picture award, beating Netflix's The Power of the Dog, which came in second. According to Netflix's earnings last quarter, they reported 221 million subscribers. Amazon has around 200 million Prime subscribers, and in the impressive previous quarter, Disney's reported subscribers were 130 million. Now, according to analyst Dan Ives, Apple boasts an estimated 25 million paying subscribers on its Apple TV Plus platform, and 50 million accounts globally, and this Oscars win could push Apple to invest more into the content department, and we could potentially see Apple taking market share from the big three. Question for everyone: is Apple the best company in the world? And do you currently own Apple stock, or will you be adding shares to your portfolio? Tesla shares have seen a boost lately, with shares up 23% this month and 8% this week. The EV giant announced this week that it was planning a stock split. This would be Tesla's second stock split. Its previous one was back in August of 2020, which was a 5-for-1 split. Essentially, it gave shareholders 5 shares for every 1 share they owned. Tesla announced it would ask its shareholders' permission to approve the proposed stock split in the form of a dividend, which would pay shareholders additional shares. And this would be a one-time event. Now, stock splits don't directly affect the company's value, however they lower the price a shareholder has to pay for a single share. This makes certain stocks look more affordable, which results in higher demand. For instance, this would be Tesla's share price before and after the stock split. As an investor who wants to buy Tesla shares, which one appears more attractive? The cost of living has increased a massive amount, i.e. inflation is very high. For the month of February 2022, the reported inflation rate was 7.87%. To put that into perspective, if you had $1 million at the current rate, you would be losing $78,700 in value per year. Another reason to invest your money and create an inflation hedge. If we look at the inflation rate of February 2021, it was 1.68%. That's a 369% increase since last year. Similarly, over in the UK, the official inflation figure was higher than expected. According to the Office for National Statistics, inflation reached 6.2% in February. That's the highest level in 30 years. A little bit of inflation helps to maintain a healthy economy, but drastic increases such as this can have devastating impacts on many households and businesses, as seen by the spike in prices in essential goods and to the disruption in supply chains. Oil has seen a hike in prices amid the ongoing Ukraine-Russia conflict. The price of oil has hit a 14-year high, jumping to $139 per barrel at one point earlier this month. And we've been seeing a negative correlation between oil prices and the broader stock market in recent weeks. Whenever oil prices have gone up, stock prices have come down, and vice versa. The last time this happened, back in 2001, we saw the dot-com crash. And it could potentially get even worse, with Russia threatening European nations that it could halt gas supplies. With a combination of high energy prices, sky-high inflation, and a slowing economy, experts have warned that the US and other major world economies could be headed towards a recession. And with that being said, that is all for this week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button as always, and make sure to join us here next week.